This is the top portion of my Dyson Animal V6, and I dropped this morning. And when I dropped it, this bin lid came off. And I was like, how do you put this back on? These Dysons are like puzzles sometimes. So this is where the puzzle is. The lid has these two, let's just call them prongs on it. And one prong fits into the bin, and then the other prong doesn't. You can't easily snap it in. So what I am going to have to do is use a flathead screwdriver and push this part in. You really can't push it in just with your fingers. You need a lot more leverage than that. So let me get the screwdriver. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver, and I'm just going to put it right here. And I just want to push it in far enough that it snaps in. See that? See how it just snapped right in? And now the lid is back on the bin. And I can shut it. Now you do want to be careful because this is hard plastic and one of these can snap off. So you want to do it firm but as gently as possible. And that is what you do when the lid comes off the bin of your Dyson vacuum. Thank you for watching this Lucky Ferals video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you'd like me to post more videos, and please make sure to check out these other videos that were selected especially for you.